We will continue our discussion on the implication operator, which is P implies Q. The examples we looked at are: if it rains, then I carry an umbrella. Then if Saturday, then holiday. So P is true, Q is true, then the statement is respected, then the logical value is true. P is true and Q is false, then the statement is not respected, so the truth value associated with this is false. The statement is applicable, can be taken into consideration when premise is true. When premise itself is false, independent of the truth value of Q, which is a conclusion, the logical value associated with, or the truth value associated with this, is still true. It is not raining, but you can only look at this statement when it is raining. And you are looking at the circular on a Friday or Wednesday, but this statement is still true. And you may get Wednesday as holiday for maybe it is a Diwali, and or you may not get, but this statement can be taken into consideration only on Saturdays. Fine. So we make statements of this in many contexts, but often we may not associate the meaning or the truth value or the logical value, but first order logic is interested in the truth value associated with each of them. Only then one can say the argument involving such statements, does it evaluate to true? Okay, listen. If P, then Q. It says P is true, Q follows. So equivalently, I can say Q follows from P. These are all different usages you come across in natural language, in textbooks, in newspapers and so on. So Q follows from P. Either I can represent using this, or I can also use this to represent, they both mean one. So Q follows from P, which means Q, whenever P is true, Q follows. Or Q when P. Okay. Now I want to conclude Q. So what is that I need to conclude Q? P is enough. P is sufficient to conclude Q, or P is sufficient for Q. In a context P appears if it is raining and it is a Saturday, and Q must follow, which means Q is necessary. Q is necessary for P. P is true, Q must follow. Q is necessary for P. This says to conclude Q, what is that you need? To say that it contains sugar, ice cream is enough. I don't need to talk about other things, right? At what temperature it was prepared and other ingredients of ice cream and so on. To say it contains sugar, ice cream is enough. And this says P is true. It is raining or it is a Saturday, then Q must follow. So Q is